What are you eating?
Eat a Twinkie.
A Twinkie? Is that your very first Twinkie?
What?
And Gretchen's first Twinkie ever? Do you like it?
That fluke.
I got a Twinkie.
I got a Twinkie.
Do you like him?
Do you like the Twinkie?
Yeah.
It's delicious. Gretchen, do you like your Twinkie? Say Twinkie. Say Twinkie. Put it down. I see you. Too bad Twinkie's going out of business. You guys don't get any more. Psst.
To go.
Say delicioso.
Yes, yes, sir.
Delicioso.
Yes, yes, sir. Other.
Delicioso. Yay! Yes, I agree.
Open.
Done?
Mama,
Manna didn't eat all his Twinkie?
not. Yeah.
Hmm.